Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix not getting invites on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here you're gonna find your games and apps. Here on the right you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to fix not getting invites on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon and then click on profile. Once you do that, right here you're gonna find overview, games, friends, shared, and right here you're gonna find online status, share profile, edit profile, and lastly right here you're gonna find your privacy settings. Go ahead and click on privacy settings, and then once you do that right here, you're gonna find your real name and profile picture. Right here you're gonna find your information. Here you're gonna find your activity, and right here you're gonna find communication and multiplayer. As you can see guys right here, you can click on who can ask to be your friend and then switch it to anyone. And once you do that, go ahead and go to settings, then go to your notifications settings. And then here, as you can see guys, make sure you allow all of these options right here, allow pop-up notifications, and go right here a little bit down until you find game invitations. Make sure you enable all of these 4 options. So once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.